Okay, so this is the panel I chose. You can see when I dye the wood, or when I stain the wood, it'll get dark. It's kind of a mahogany look, sort of similar to teak look. For my boat, it's going to be perfect. Pretty happy with it. It's a little too thick. I'm going to work on trimming that down later. I laid that template that I made out, and I just did the basic, the big cuts. I still have to go and notch out this channel right here and here. Same thing down here. The way I'm going to do that is I've taken that same template. If I was smart, I would have done this from the beginning, but I wasn't smart about it. I'm just using small brad nails to tack this template in place. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to use a router bit like this, a little bearing on the top, a flute bit here. This fluting bit, it's gonna keep it flush with this bearing. The bearing's gonna run up on the edge of my template right here. So the flute bit will come up from the bottom, the bearing will run along that edge, and I'll be able to take this bit out, chew this bit out. And I could have done the whole thing that way. Can tend to get out of hand at times. It's a pretty thick piece of material, so I just am doing these small chunks because the bulk of the cutting I could do with a saw fairly easily. That's it for now. Halfway through.